Green grams production has doubled from 1.5 bags to 3 bags per acre, while maize production has increased from 6 bags to 10 bags per acre. Additionally, bean production has increased from 2.5 bags to 4 bags per acre. Overall, aggregate production in 2024 significantly improved in comparison to 2022. Maize production increased from 313,000 bags to 366,700 bags. Beans production increased from 36,500 bags to 65,800 bags, and green grams production increased from 69,000 bags to 191 bags within a 2-year period. Mr. Speaker and honorable members, livestock production offers environmental benefits including integrated farming, biodiversity, and byproducts that promote conservation. Our people derive unique socio-cultural benefits from livestock farming that have endured a lifetime. There's nothing, Mr. Speaker, that is more satisfying than sitting under a tree and look at your flock of 100 animals, of healthy cows. It is more fulfilling than having a drink with your friends or local park. The own source revenue now contributes approximately 6% of county's total resource envelope each year. And this provides a reliable local funding stream that complements allocation from the national treasury. A substantial share of revenue collected from health, especially the facilities, is channeled into the Facility Improvement Fund, popularly known as FIF, which enables the timely procurement of essential medicine, medical supplies, and commodities, ensuring uninterrupted service delivery across our health facilities. To implement